just follow the stairway to this lonely world of mine. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Not so very long ago, you walk away from me, and after all the plans we made, you decided to be free. Without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. I keep waiting in this lonely room, just in case you change your mind. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. You know the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, but the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind just like my hand, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a blessing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. One day stays true, I hope that I will find that tomorrow top of the world. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories got around her. Miner's lady, strangers to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Miss the taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning and she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road again, I'm feeling that I should be home. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Down country roads. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what goes through her head. She puts on the makeup and brushes a long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? You look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder, oh, it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you, girl. Pineapple, baby. It's time to go home now, and I've got to make it end. So I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn on the I say, my darling, you are wonderful.